Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tex, and Xiaomi is interested to buy action camera maker GoPro. Xiaomi is no stranger into making products other than their affordable yet powerful smartphone. Xiaomi has a range of products from technology to lifestyle. Xiaomi, the camera company that Xiaomi invested, also having range of camera-related products from action camera to a full-fledged camera. That said, Bloomberg is reporting that Xiaomi is considering into making an offer to GoPro. This news follows the January announcement that GoPro is giving up the drone market. During an interview at that time, GoPro CEO Nick Woodman stated that he is open to sell the company. He also stated that if GoPro is able to merge with a parent company, it would provide a better return on investment. Earlier this year, GoPro hired investment bank JP Morgan Chase & Co. to advise on a potential sale. Based on the news of Xiaomi's interest, looks like GoPro have found a potential buyer. The whole deal is still on a considering stage, where the possibility for it to not happen is high too. The information believes that GoPro could get as much as $1 billion from the deal as compared with HP acquisitions of Palm. So, what do you think about Xiaomi buying GoPro? Will GoPro merge with Xiaomi, or will Xiaomi merge with GoPro? We will only know when the time comes. That is all for this short video. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of video, remember to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Mr. Tech YouTube channel.